Developing strength and stamina is essential for overall health and well-being. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to improve your daily life, building these key components can help you achieve your goals. This comprehensive guide will provide you with practical strategies, exercises, and tips to enhance your strength and stamina effectively. By understanding and implementing these principles, you'll be well on your way to a stronger, more resilient body. Strength and stamina are foundational elements of fitness. Strength refers to the ability of your muscles to exert force, while stamina is the capacity to sustain prolonged physical or mental effort. Improving these aspects requires a combination of resistance training, cardiovascular exercise, proper nutrition, and recovery strategies. We'll explore these elements in detail to help you develop a balanced and effective workout routine. By following this guide, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how to develop strength and stamina effectively. This knowledge will empower you to create a personalized fitness plan that aligns with your goals. Whether that's lifting heavier weights, running longer distances, or simply feeling more energetic throughout the day. Improved strength and stamina can enhance your athletic performance, daily activities, and overall quality of life. Practical tips and actionable advice. Create a balanced workout routine. 1. Combine strength training and cardiovascular exercises to develop both strength and stamina. 2. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity cardio per week. 3. Include strength training exercises for all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Focus on progressive overload. 1. Gradually increase the weight, intensity, or duration of your workouts to continuously challenge your body. 2. Use the principle of progressive overload to ensure steady improvements in strength and stamina. 3. Keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed to avoid plateaus. Incorporate compound exercises. 1. Compound exercises, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. 2. These exercises are efficient for building overall strength and engaging multiple muscles at once. 3. Incorporate compound movements into your routine to maximize your workout efficiency. Include interval training. 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is effective for improving cardiovascular fitness and stamina. 2. Alternate between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. 3. Incorporate HIIT sessions 1–2 times a week to boost your endurance and burn more calories in less time. Prioritize proper nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Ensure you're getting enough calories to support your training and recovery. 3. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Allow adequate recovery time. 1. Rest and recovery are crucial for muscle growth and stamina improvement. 2. Include rest days in your workout schedule to allow your muscles to repair and grow. 3. Consider active recovery activities such as light stretching, yoga, or walking. Stay consistent and motivated. Consistency is key to seeing progress in strength and stamina. 2. Set realistic, achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated. 3. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness community for added support and accountability. Creating a balanced workout routine. To develop both strength and stamina, it's essential to have a well-rounded workout routine that includes a mix of strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Strength training builds muscle and increases your body's ability to exert force, while cardiovascular exercises improve your heart and lung capacity, allowing you to sustain physical activity for longer periods. For strength training, focus on exercises that target all major muscle groups. This includes your legs, back, chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, with each session lasting about 45–60 minutes. Use a combination of free weights, machines, and body weight exercises to keep your workouts varied and engaging. For cardiovascular fitness, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio, such as brisk walking or cycling, or 75 minutes of high intensity cardio, such as running or HIIT, per week. You can spread this out over several days to fit your schedule. Including both steady-state cardio and interval training in your routine will help improve your stamina and overall cardiovascular health. Focusing on progressive overload. Progressive overload is the gradual increase of stress placed upon the body during exercise training. This principle is crucial for improving both strength and stamina. By continuously challenging your muscles and cardiovascular system, you force them to adapt and become stronger and more efficient. To apply progressive overload in your strength training, gradually increase the weight you lift, the number of repetitions, or the number of sets. For example, if you currently lift 10 pounds for 10 reps, try increasing to 12 pounds for 10 reps or 10 pounds for 12 reps after a few weeks. This ensures that your muscles are consistently challenged. In your cardio workouts, you can apply progressive overload by increasing the intensity, duration, or frequency of your sessions. For instance, if you currently run for 20 minutes at a moderate pace, try increasing to 25 minutes or incorporating short sprints to raise the intensity. Incorporating compound exercises. Compound exercises are movements that work multiple muscle groups at the same time. These exercises are highly effective for building overall strength and engaging various muscles, making your workouts more efficient. Some of the best compound exercises include: 1. Squats. Target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. 2. Deadlifts. Work your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. 3. Bench presses. Engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps. 4. Pull-ups. Target your back, shoulders, and arms. 5. Lunges. Work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Incorporate these exercises into your routine to maximize your strength gains. Perform 3–4 sets of 8–12 reps for each exercise, ensuring you use proper form to avoid injury. Including interval training. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of training is highly effective for improving cardiovascular fitness and stamina. A typical HIIT session might involve 30 seconds of sprinting followed by 1 minute of walking, repeated for 15–20 minutes. The intense intervals push your cardiovascular system to its limits, while the rest periods allow for partial recovery. This helps improve your endurance and overall cardiovascular health. Incorporate HIIT sessions into your routine 1–2 times per week. This not only boosts your stamina, but also helps burn more calories in a shorter amount of time compared to steady-state cardio. Prioritizing proper nutrition. Proper nutrition is essential for fueling your workouts and aiding recovery. A balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates provides the energy and nutrients your body needs to perform and recover effectively. 1. Proteins, essential for muscle repair and growth. 1. Include sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and legumes. 2. Healthy fats, provide sustained energy and support overall health. 2. Include sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. 3. Complex carbohydrates, provide the energy needed for intense workouts. 3. Include sources such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Ensure you're consuming enough calories to support your activity level and recovery. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day, and consider having a balanced meal or snack before and after workouts to fuel and recover properly, allowing adequate recovery time. Recovery is a crucial component of any effective fitness routine. Without adequate rest, your muscles don't have time to repair and grow, which can lead to overtraining and injuries. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night, as this is when most muscle repair occurs. Include rest days in your workout schedule to allow your body to recover. Consider active recovery activities such as light stretching, yoga, or walking to keep your body moving without overexerting it. Staying consistent and motivated. Consistency is key to seeing progress in both strength and stamina. Find a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Set realistic, achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated, such as working out with a friend, joining a fitness class, or setting new challenges for yourself. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small, to keep yourself motivated and focused on your goals. Quick actionable cheat sheet. 1. Create a balanced workout routine. Combine strength training and cardio. 2. Focus on progressive overload. Gradually increase workout intensity. 3. Incorporate compound exercises. Use movements that engage multiple muscle groups. 4. Include interval training. Boost stamina with HIIT. 5. Prioritize proper nutrition. Eat a balanced diet and stay hydrated. 6. Allow adequate recovery time. Ensure proper rest and active recovery. 7. Stay consistent and motivated. Set goals and track progress. Conclusion. Developing strength and stamina requires a combination of well-planned workouts, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can create an effective fitness routine that helps you achieve your goals. Remember, consistency and gradual progress are key to long-term success. Start implementing these tips today and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, more resilient body. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.